Desert Edge. I'm Latrell.
And I'm Ruben.
This is Detv.
And here we have Latrell with the man on the street.
Today I'm here with
Ms. Jankowski.
and Ms. Jankowski. Do you have Valentine's?
I have a Valentine. Aww. I have a fiance, and I love Valentine's Day. It's actually my favorite holiday because I love chocolate.
Chocolate! Chocolate!
I've always gotten chocolate on Valentine's Day.
So today I'm here with Philip. Do you have Valentine's?
No.
What is your opinion of Valentine's Day?
It's overrated. Shouldn't be a thing.
What are you going to be doing this Valentine's Day?
I'm gonna be chilling. I ain't want no Valentine.
Do you have Valentine's, Miss Kabir?
Yes, I do.
How do you feel about Valentine's Day?
I love it based on my decor.
So today we're here with Sarai. Do you have Valentine's?
Yeah,
Who is your Valentine's, Sarai?
my boyfriend.
Okay. How do you feel about Valentine's Day?
Good holiday.
I'm here with
Detv.
Detv. Do you have Valentine's?
No, I don't.
I'm here with
Denise?
Denise. Do you have Valentine's?
No.
What is your opinion of Valentine's Day?
I don't know, it's just a regular day for me.
Have you signed up for FAFSA?
No, I haven't. Why?
Well, you probably should. And here's Miss Nico on why.
Ms. Nico, the College and Career Specialist at Desert Edge. This is the first time in 35 years that FAFSA has had any changes, and the complete FAFSA process is 100% different than what it's been in previous years. In previous years, there were 120 questions that students and families had to answer, and this year they've simplified that process and you're answering only 20 questions. You'll need to have your FAFSA student ID. It's an SAID number for yourself and parents at home. Either you need one and parent or guardian needs one. You'll need banking information, and then you'll also need tax return information. Completing your FAFSA application form should take you probably about 30 minutes. It's not a timely process. The new FAFSA application form has really simplified that with the smaller amount of questions that you guys need to answer.
Welcome back, Scorpions.
And now we have Ramara and the cheer team going to nationals.
I'm actually really excited that we made it, and we came across so far, and we worked so hard on it. So, pretty good. We're going to Anaheim, California.
We'll be right back after this commercial break.
I'm Josh from DDTV, and today I'm going to be talking about not skipping class. Don't be hanging around the hallways with your friends. Get early on time to class, do your work, do what you need to do, and don't be like lazing around off in the hallways. Get to class on time.
Yo, Josh, what did you do this weekend? I did nothing much, just hanged out with the homies, you know what I mean? What about it? I was with my girl, you know, to work, just chill. Yeah, everybody seen the Super Bowl. What you know? I was just chilling at home, watching the Super Bowl. Your team win? My team already made it, so it's okay, mine did win. What you, what you do? Bet against the Chiefs and lost a lot of money. You lost? Yeah. If you bet against the Chiefs, how do you lose with?
Hey, y'all smell that?
What the heck? You just smell it?
I ain't tripping.
Capelli. Yeah, it's you. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Nah, me. I got Old Spice on. I ain't tripping.
You talking about your breath, though?
Your breath.
You brush your teeth today?
Yeah, I brush my teeth.
Like top and bottom?
I just brush straight across.
Bro, you gotta brush at least a minute, bro.
Everything.
From top and bottom.
Here, bro. Take some gum, bro.
You need that. You need that. Okay, guys, make sure you guys brush your teeth for a minute, top and bottom, circles. You know, get it good.
And make sure to floss in between each tooth so that you get all the dirt and whatnot in your teeth.
And when you're done, make sure you brush your tongue all the way in the back, all the way in the front.
And last, make sure you use mouthwash so you can clean out all that stuff that didn't get caught.
Have you ever wanted a job that is considered an art? It documents history, and it even shows some of the greatest moments in the history of this planet? Well, then look no further to sports photography. Photography, in general, is pretty cool. But when you add sports into the mix, come on. Don't tell me you don't want to be the person that takes a photo like this. So let's go over the basics first. Obviously, you're going to want to insert your battery in your SD card. I mean, your camera wouldn't work without it. So now that we're done with all the basics, let's introduce you to somebody very important. Here's the interface to your camera. Say hi. You better get to know him well, because this is going to be your key to getting all of the great shots when you're taking photos of sports games. If you're a little confused by what you're seeing, don't be. Let me explain it to you real quick. Up in the top left corner is your recording indicator. This just shows you if you're recording on your camera or not. Up in the top right corner is your battery indicator. This just shows how much battery you have on your camera left. On the bottom right corner is your timer. That shows how long you've been recording if you are recording. In the top middle and bottom middle are your little indicators to show you how zoomed in you are. And then over to the middle left is your ISO and AF meters. It shows you what ISO level you're at and what AF level you're at. My last tip for this is just to make sure that you're always in the moment. You can never just be slacking off on your phone, because you might miss the best play of the game, especially in games as fast-paced as basketball, football, or soccer.
Hello everyone, it's James Bond, and today we're making a dish called stafao, originating from the island of Guam and prominent in Chamorro culture, and I make this for my Chamorro family often. Let's get it.
Thanks for watching.
Hey D, we're only 20 subscribers away from 1K. Have a great day. Bye.